Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Performance Keyboard, a premium low-profile mechanical keyboard designed for professionals, programmers, writers, and anyone who spends hours typing every day. If you're looking for mechanical precision without the loud clicky noise, this keyboard might be the perfect upgrade. The first thing you'll notice is its low-profile mechanical design. This version features tactile quiet switches, giving you satisfying tactile feedback while keeping typing noise to a minimum. It feels much smoother and quieter than traditional mechanical keyboards, making it ideal for offices, classrooms, and shared workspaces. Typing comfort is excellent thanks to the keyboard's solid aluminum top plate and carefully designed low-profile keycaps. The keys feel stable, responsive, and accurate, helping reduce finger fatigue during long work sessions. Whether you're writing reports, coding, editing videos, or managing spreadsheets, every keystroke feels precise and consistent. One of the standout features is the smart white backlighting. The keyboard automatically lights up when your hands approach and adjusts brightness based on the surrounding lighting conditions. This not only looks premium but also helps conserve battery life while making late-night work much easier. Connectivity is another major strength. You can connect using Bluetooth or the included Logi Bolt USB receiver, and pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between your Windows PC, Mac, Linux computer, tablet, or smartphone takes just the press of a button, making multitasking incredibly convenient. Battery life is impressive as well. You can enjoy up to 15 days with the backlight enabled, or up to 10 months with the backlighting turned off. When it's time to recharge, the modern USB-C port makes charging quick and convenient. The Logitech Options Plus software adds even more value by allowing you to customize function keys, create shortcuts, and automate repetitive tasks. This makes the MX Mechanical an excellent productivity tool for professionals who want to work more efficiently. Overall, if you're looking for a premium wireless mechanical keyboard with quiet tactile switches, excellent build quality, smart backlighting, and broad device compatibility, the Logitech MX Mechanical is one of the best productivity keyboards available today. While it comes at a premium price, the comfort, durability, and features make it well worth the investment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.